Yeah.
time and will win you some.
All right.
Cool. Hey, who has tokens here?
I don't.
Who's next? Who's next?
I don't know
Who's that from?
I get more money
How do you know?
because she said I get more money.
Read the card first.
I know. Catch all the fun you can. Happy birthday, Shane. Fun candy.
Woohoo!
You got $10.
Is that Shane's too?
Okay.
Alright.
Who's that from?
Birthday party.
Auntie Heather, I guess.
Is that from
Yeah,
Auntie
that's
Heather?
from Auntie Heather.
Okay, open it up, brother.
Oh,
Sorry. What's that? Ooh!
Oh, cool, dude.
All right, sweatpants or sweat shorts. All right, set it right here. Good. All right, that's a cool shirt, bud. Super green. Ooh, matching shorts.
We got that last week.
All right.
I'm sure it'll still fit him next year.
Check you out, bro.
I can't wear it anymore. It hurts. It's giving me a headache.
Nice. That's a nice shirt,
I was
dude.
taking pictures of every shirt.
Video.
Oh, shut up then.
Oh, that's a cool shirt. Woohoo, buddy. Look at all these matching outfits, man. That's sweet. Wow, buddy. How much you got in there? Holy moly.
I'm doing the card.
I guess. Woohoo!
Is this from your mom? From Heather. Heather?
Oh, what's up? Summer's coming. You're gonna need those. Oh, those are tight. That's Call of Duty style right there. Wow.
Very cool, dude.
All right, let's see what that big thing says. Celebrate. All right.
Back in there?
You got all those cards, man. Oh, that's Nathan.
No, where's the
He
card
just
from?
had that one.
Heather.
I don't know.
Oh,
Shane,
he
where's
put
the?
it- he put it in here.
Okay.
Oh, that's a big one. To a grandson who's terrific fun, a good sport,
Hold on,
wonderful,
Shane.
smart,
Shane,
hold
wait.
on, nice to be with, helpful, talented, and most of all,
What is this?
hold on, loved very, very much. Happy birthday, love you, Grandpa and Grandma. XOXO. $40 for
A
Toys
$40 Toys R Us card, right on. It's a gift card for Toys R Us, dude. What do you say?
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
And what do you say to Auntie Heather, honey? Right
She's
here.
not here.
Shane, say it right here.
Thank you, Auntie Heather.
Jake and Ashley.
Thanks, guys.
Uncle Jake and
Holy moly, it's mine!
No, it's not.
It's a bouncing card!
Ew.
Look at that!
Birthday. Keep an eye out for fun. Happy birthday, Shane. Buy something fun. We love you, Uncle Victor, Auntie Dana, Elijah, Victor, Chloe, and Cheyenne.
How much is it?
Good job.
What is it?
What is it?
Another
Wow.
20
Right on, dude! What do you say?
What do you
Thank
say?
you, Auntie Dana.
Where's Uncle Victor at?
I don't know. Yeah.
I'm gonna give you both of these. Okay?
All right. Yeah. Just.
$4.
Whoa!
I'm getting a lot of money here.
She got the DS games from my mom.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
a day. What a day to have fun. To just what
Is that from
you
Crystal?
like to do. Wow, that a day. Your first day to be 7. What a wonderful day to be you. Happy 7th birthday. Happy birthday, Shane. We love you. Love Crystal and
Caden.
Caden.
Woohoo!
$20, Crystal.
Right here. Shane, say thank you.
Thank you for the $20.
Kid's loaded. Who's this from?
We got more stuff just for you. Shane Happy left little birthday moments make you feel and this is all like cursive, right?
I know you can do it.
You can do it.
What is that word?
Special
Special and
as you are.
as you are.
Your friend Nathan.
Your friend Nathan.
What do you say right here?
Thank you, Nathan.
We have a card.
Hey, there was a thing that was
I give it to
I
Daddy.
gave it to Daddy.
It's a
Where is
$10 gift card from McDonald's.
Ooh.
That's all of it.
Shane's saying yum 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 yum.
Yum, 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 yum. Let's go pass these tickets out.
Okay, hold on.